In this video, we'll talk about how you can use CSS icons in list controls. So let's start out by using a predefined list control in the defined list section. So you can see here in defined list, we have a list here called list menu. And the reason that has been put here as a predefined list is that using list controls to display menus is very common in a mobile application. So let's go ahead now and go to working preview, and we can see here we have a list control, and each item in the list is a menu item, and when I tap it, basically some JavaScript event fires, and you can see that there's an icon that has been represented for each action. So if we go now to the list properties and we first look at the data, we can see we have some static data here with 3 columns: the menu name, the image, and then the action. And if we look at the image, we can see that it's using a CSS icon. So you can see there, for example, is the first icon, and there's the second icon. And in this case, we can see that it's coming from the Font Awesome library because of the class name here of FA. Now, in the static data over here, we can actually easily edit the icon by just selecting it. So we've selected the heart icon and then click this Insert Edit CSS Icons hyperlink, then choose which library we'd like to choose the CSS icon from. So I'm going to go here and say Font Awesome, and that brings up the builder showing me that I currently have the heart icon selected. So let's go here and change it, for example, to say that icon over there, and also let's go and make it into, say, that light red color over there. Then click OK. We can see that the text in the field has changed. And now if I click OK, when I go to fields, I'll see there's my image, and notice that we've set the control here, the control type, to CSS icon. Then in the list properties, we've just selected image as one column, and then the action as another column, and then finally in the on click event, which is simply saying alert, and then we've displaying the action field from the current row. So this dot selection 0 dot action is the value of the action column in the current row, and this is explained if you click on the more help button over there. So let's go now and take a look at our list, and we can see now that we've changed the icon for the first row, and it's now being displayed in red. So the ability to display CSS icons in list controls is a very attractive feature, especially for mobile applications where these lists in this pattern are used commonly for menus in your application. Thanks very much for watching.